So students, I am going to recite third stanza. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. So here the poet is saying that morning both roads were looking equal, and both that morning equally lay means they both were looking equal. There was no difference. In leaves no step had trodden black. So here poet is saying both were looking equal. There were leaves on both the roads, and nobody stepped on that on the leaves. Nobody walked on the leaves. They were looking fresh, as they were looking green. Oh, I kept the first for another day. So as I told you that he selected the second road because he thought that the second road was claiming better. So, but he means he could not leave the charm of the first road also. So that's why he is trying, he is saying to himself that I am not leaving the first one also. I'm just keeping it for another day. Means whenever I'll come back after completing my journey on first road, I definitely will walk on the first road also. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, he knew very well, though he knew very well that he could not go back on the choice that he had made, because it is not easy. Once you have decided to take any path, once you have decided to take any way, and after that coming back from the way and to select the another one, it is not an easy work. But he said to himself that I am keeping the first one for another day, and I doubted if I should ever come back. He knew that he will not be able to come again after choosing one. But then also he is just trying to convince himself, he is just trying to console himself by saying that I am not leaving the first one also, I am keeping it for the another day. So this is the third stanza of the students. Now we'll do the last and fourth stanza. I shall be telling this with the sign. Sign means deep breathe. Okay? Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the differences. So here the poet is saying that if I have selected the road which was less travelled, which was less used, so I am feeling I am feeling proud of my decision, because after means in the future, so I will be able to tell my future generation that once upon a time I was standing on a point where the roads were divided into two, and I selected the road which was less used, which was less travelled, and I didn't take any decision which was common, which was easy, and that because of that decision, whatever I am is the result of my decision which I made in past. So here poet wants to say that if I have taken if I have chosen the tough road, if I have chosen the road which was less travelled, so this is not a wrong decision. Means in future I can tell to my generation that when I was confused, when I was in doubt that which one is correct, I selected the road which was unused or less travelled, and I didn't make any easy decision. Okay, so means this is a very strong message for the students. This is a very strong message from the poet side for the students, that you should be wise and be careful while making choice out of the options that you have in your life, because your future depends on the choice that you make today. Okay, so we have completed the poem, The Road Not Taken. Now I'll ask some questions.